down, okay? Y'all get back, get back, get back, get back. Go, 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 go!
What's up, people? What's up, fellow collectors, hunters, fam? It's your boy Black Knight 710. Got a special box. Ordered some online. It came a couple weeks ago, so I decided to make a video about it. All right, I'm just get right to it. Gotta get the knife. Here's the box. I'm all over the place with my collection. I got Marvel. I got DC. I got so you can get a close-up on how they look. And I'm gonna go with the traditional and I mean, they're very detailed. I'm liking how the gloves look on his hands, the wash on his gloves, the little shuttle shading with the black. It's looking dope. I'm liking the gloves on his fist. He's got double jointed elbows. Nice. Oh my goodness, people. I mean, they got him. Man, he's like buff. I'm like, his gi is, it's not too hard. You can actually move him. He's got an ab crunch. You can look down about that far. Head rotation, you can't, it's not as good as the Marble Legends, but he's got the ab crunch. Alright, let's see. He's good range and kicking. Double jointed knees. Got a toe hinge. Let's see. Don't got much of an ankle rocker. So, alright, let's see. As you can see, people, I'm in Illinois. It's hot, so mind the sweat. Alright. Alright, let's see. It would have been nice if he'd have came with some type of other effect, but I'll manage. His hands on the hinge, got the rotation. I'm liking that, people. I'm liking that a lot. For a minute I thought his little bandana was on a little hinge, but alright. Alright, let's stay in here though. I'm gonna open up his boy Ken, his rival, as you can say. So you can see him up close and personal. They got him looking just like the video game, so I'm believing this is 5. Street Fighter 5, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong. Leave a comment, let me know. I don't read. Alright, let's get these little wires off. So, let's see. I'm just have him sitting up. Alright, let's get Ken out of this picture, out of this packaging. Move him off to the side. I need some music to for this boring part. Trying to get these little wires out. You know how it is, people. You want to rush to get these figs out and they tying them down for you. So, like Ryu, you come with interchangeable hands, and in his, he got the fist gloves. Oh, they look nice. Got the hinge, super detailed. Got a little washed look to them. So yeah, people. Actually, his a little different. He's got the thumbs up on his other hand, so he's striking a pose probably after he's won. Look at the color scheme on his gi. Got the little black wash on the back, on the pants. Got the little black wash on those. Nice. Get a picture of his face. So, I mean, as far as articulation with the head, yeah, he's just like Ryu. He can look down just a small bit, but he can look down. Not as much up, but. And he's got the double jointed elbows and knees, so. Man, he's got like a little smile, smirk. I'm liking how his flesh tone, man, they showing his muscles. Got the little shading on his arms. He's got the butterfly joints. Didn't notice that with Ryu. Oh man, ab crunch. Oh, he's got the waist swivel and the thigh swivel. Let's see. Can't do a total 360, I mean splits, but I mean you can get them in a pretty good. So overall, man, the color, the face looks amazing. I mean, man, it looks just like the video game. So, like I said, I wish they'd have came with some other accessories as far as their special moves that they pull off. But I mean, I'll take it. I mean, I ain't got no Street Fighter figs, but man, all right, let me. So what do you think, people? I mean, we got Ken, we got Ryu, and we got Guile. Street Fighter, the video game, NECA figures. Can't stress that out. These are NECA figures, so man. I'm gonna definitely be posting some pictures on Instagram. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, follow me. I'll be doing a lot of pictures, posing these jokers, doing some crazy stuff with them. So leave a comment, tell me what you think of these figures. I mean, there's definitely more. Definitely more. They got a Chung-Li. I mean, tell me what you like about them. I mean, you like the paint scheme on them, you like the face. Man, I'm just gonna play with these jokers, get a feel for them. Might order some more, I don't know. But thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell, because I'm posting stuff. There's more to come. So thanks for riding with your boy. It's your boy Black Knight signing out. Fig King. Later, people.